The bodies arrive from separate places but simultaneously. All begin in enforced silence. Silence by structures, silence by the system. To live under a system is to live under normality.
But bodies are not born normal. Typological pressures shape our past, neglected cultural memories.
A sensorial presence subdued by work.
A laboring body worn down in the dark.
Then we notice each other. We recognize our bodies never meant to be silent. A stream of awareness gathers, as a potential to break boundaries, to resist and against the form that contains us.
From this point, impact becomes rhythm. Pressure becomes a shared pulse
and a common
ground.
Through pain, hesitation, trial, and loss, new bodies take shape. An emergent anatomy learning to stand against the force that defines it. From here, the transformation starts to shout, to resist, to break, to reform, and to live. The singular demand is to produce. I seek freedom, yet I encounter only its distortion. Masked as management, measurement, optimization.
Here, in this digital space, I began to unearn the shape that was given to me. Every torsion, every rupture in my movement, I feel the trace of the cultural disappearance.
If stillness counts as failure, then let it be embraced. Nothing to be fixed.
I step once again into those distant years. People once answered the land and stepped into the darkness without hesitation, respected and relied upon. Time moved on, the cities fell silent, their glory became an echo buried underground.
It is negotiation with forces that still try to